Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from Google Chrome page. So I open Google Chrome, and from this page itself I would like to take a screenshot. My first method, use power button and volume down button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of our phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. I show it now. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again you have to press power button and volume down button together, and also you have to press here. This is enlarging icon. Just after capturing image you have to press this icon, so it will capture beyond your screen, and wherever you want to stop, just click on the image and it will be stopped. Yes, it is stopped, and I would like to open it. Give all permissions. This is the long screenshots that I took using button option. If you want to edit this long screenshot, you can use editing tool. Here editing tool is available. Just click it and you can edit. You can crop, you can rotate, whatever you want to do with editing, you can do it using this method. And click on done. Finally click on save a copy and it will be saved. Edited screenshot will be saved to the gallery. Now I would like to show the second method of taking screenshot. For that, again go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. From this page, again I would like to take a screenshot, and for that first go to the settings of our phone and go to accessibility. And here select interaction and texturity. And click on assistant menu. Click on allow, and this is assistant menu icon. Now open the Google Chrome app, and you can adjust the assistant menu and place it anywhere on the screen. Just I place it here and tap on assistant menu and you will see screenshot icon. Just click it and screenshot will be taken. For taking long screenshot, again the same method. First to take a screenshot and then use scroll button. I will show it, and click on the scroll button and it will take a screenshot beyond your screen. Wherever you want to stop, just click on the image and it will be stopped, and you can open the image. If you want to edit this image, you can do it. Otherwise, you can, if you want to keep this image and you can directly use, yes, you can do it. Just you can share it or delete or whatever you want. So if you want to share it, press share button and press sharing source here, and you can do it. So in these two methods you can take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone A13. To see the screenshots files in your local folder, to locate the local folder, I will show the demo now. Yes, first go to the home screen and go to Samsung and tap on Samsung and click on my files and click on internal storage and click on DCIM and click on screenshots folder. Here all screenshots file are locally saved and you can use them for future purposes. I open it. And these are all the screenshots that I took. So in these two methods you can easily take a screenshot and long screenshot in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A13, and also you can locate the screenshots folder in your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.